Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Discord on Linux. So in order to install Discord on Linux, first of all we need to go to our browser. So for me it will be Firefox, because it is installed by default on every Linux distribution, so everyone should have it. And now we have to type in Discord for Linux and press enter. We can close that, it's not important. We can cancel it and accept. And now we can go into this page. Download Discord to talk, play and hang out. We can press it, and as you can see right here we have a button. When we can download Discord for Linux, we can press it, and now we have to wait. It is installing right here. As you can see, here we have for Mac, for Windows and for Linux. We actually right now are downloading this file, and it's finished, as you can see, so we can close that. It won't be useful anymore. And now we can go into apps and press on our terminal. Click on our terminal, and now we can clear that in order to make it a little bit nicer. And now we have to move on to our download directory. In order to do it, we have to check where we are right now. So we will list that, and as you can see, our downloads is here. So we have to move on to this folder. We are doing that by writing cd and then the name of our folder, so downloads. We can fill that with pressing a tab button on the keyboard, so tab, and press enter. As you can see, we are in our downloads folder, so now we can list that, and as you can see, we have our Discord.deb file that we downloaded before. Now how to install it is basically very easy. We are doing sudo apt install and we can fill it with tab like before, and now we have to press enter. Of course we have to type in the password, so I will type it in and press enter, and now we have to wait for it to be completely. As you can see, our installation is finished. Now we can close that window, and now we can go to our apps, and we right here and open it. Now we have to wait a little. As you can see, update 3 of 4, 3 of 6, 4 of 6, 5 of 6. You can the app section, but I think you can open it using. I will open the terminal, and we're waiting, so I will check something to not make this video very boring. As you can see, I can also launch it like our Discord and press enter, but that in a moment. But we have to wait. It's of 6, so we have to wait 5 of 6, and now it will be finished in a second, I think. As it's starting. And it started. So as you can see, our installation is, we made our installation very good because it's working. but now we have to wait. As you can see, we can log in, our email, our password, we can log in with QR code, but we can close that and we can test with our terminal if it works. We can type in Discord, press enter, and as you can see it also works, so you can launch it in 2 ways. And that's basically all in this video. That's how you install Discord on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next video.